Majestic as got him. That feels nice. Had about a week of rain. Oh, it's a big bass. Got him too. Oh, this is fun. Big old drum. Holy, nice one. Those aren't little hybrids either. That's why we get out on days like today. Okay guys, we're back out here on the Tennessee River. Just had about a week of rain. It's been pretty miserable, been stuck in the house. I don't mind fishing in the rain, but when it's gonna, rain from the time you leave the house to the time you come back and it's not very warm outside at the same time, it's hard to get motivated to get out here. But looks like we're supposed to get a break in the rain today. At least it's not raining right now. So stay tuned, see if we can't get a couple. My experience with days like today, conditions like this, we might not catch a lot of bass, but if we do get one, a lot of the times it's a bigger one. So all right, we moved spots down to somewhere where we've actually caught some fish before. Been at it for a couple hours. Haven't got a bite. Ooh. Wonder if one took a bite at one that doesn't have a hook in it. Yay! Just a hybrid. Nice hybrid, dude. Glad to have him. And him. Yay! It makes me think there might be a largemouth or a smallmouth out here that might want to eat. Those aren't little hybrids either. I'm after your cousins. Got him. That feels nice. What is it? Oh, it's a big bass. That's a big bass. Yes, sir. Come here. Come here. Thank you. That's why we get out on days like today. Yes. Oh, that's a good one. Thank you, bud. Do that Eric out there and got him. Muddy water. He still went for the natural colored one. We switched most of them over to that pearlized white. Oh, that was awesome. Got him. There we go. That's why we come out here. Yes, sir. Nice little chunker up there eating them shad. Yeah. Up incredibly shallow. Got him too. Oh, this is fun. That's a nice bass too. Oh, this is fun. We weren't sure if we were gonna catch anything today. They seem to be a little fired up. Getting me a little fired up. Thanks, man. Got him too. We're on him. Littler guy. There's a perch. Hey, you know there's perch in here. Got him. Oh, he came off. Okay, guys, the day is already a success in my book, but we're going to push your luck and we're going to go try to find something to recreate what we did here. Had that nice one, about 4 pounds, and caught 3 or 4 more out of this flat. Missed a couple. Might stop back by here at the end, towards the end of the day, if we can't find anything else. But for the conditions and what we're dealt, that pretty well surprised me catching that many. Oh, that's big. Catfish, I think. Drum, catfish or drum. What we got? Big drum. Big old drum. Holy sh... Yes, 9 pounds. That's nice. He wanted a single swimmer. We were just starting to think maybe we weren't going to catch anymore. Nice one. Thanks for coming, bub. Oh, I missed him bigger than thought he dropped it. Merca. Majestic as got him. Another drum. Okay guys, about gonna wrap it up for today. It's starting to rain on me, it's getting pretty late. Got lucky and stayed dry for the majority of the day. Got lucky, got on some decent bass too. We caught like 4 different species of fish today though. That's part of wintertime fishing. We caught largemouth, hybrids, drum, we even caught a perch. I didn't even know there was perch here. But the best bait for the day is a 3.8 inch swim bait from 6 Cents, Ghost Ice Color. The little kill weighted hook. I didn't think the water being as muddy as it was that they were even gonna eat this. I grabbed this rod out and it was already on, and I thought maybe I was gonna tie a jig on or something if the bite got really tough. And then we had some bass eating shallow on a flat. This was the only thing that I could work through. And this was the #1 bait that they wanted today. I thought I was gonna come out here and catch them on a chatterbait or a spinnerbait or a crankbait, but I think we caught six or so bass, and all of them but one were on this, and then the other one was on the A-rig, the bigger one we caught today. That was about 4 pounds. But it's midway through December, and I'm not gonna complain with how the fishing went today. We've had rain for a week straight here in Knoxville, and I didn't know what condition the river was gonna be in. There's quite a bit of debris and drift floating down the river, and they're pulling current. Water's 55 degrees, but the bass were still up shallow eating. A lot of times, even when the water's cold, when you get a lot of rain and the water murks up, it can still push them up shallow, and it did. Lucky for me. But it's overall a good day. Anytime you can get out here in December and catch quite a few bass and some decent ones. I'd have been happy with anything that pulled. I was happy when I started catching those hybrids. So it's starting to rain now. I'm about to get out of here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button. We got a cold wet ride back in the rain, it looks like.